Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make bread drawing. Begin by lightly sketching the general form of your bread, whether it's a baguette or a rustic loaf. Pay close attention to the unique, often uneven, texture of the crust. Think about where your light source is coming from to help you define the areas of shadow and highlight, which will give your drawing depth and realism. This initial step is crucial for a strong foundation. Now, let's dive into the delicious details of the crust. Use a variety of line weights, a heavier hand for deeper cracks and a lighter touch for subtle bumps. Introduce tiny, irregular marks to truly capture the bread's unique imperfections and rustic charm. Techniques like cross-hatching or stippling can wonderfully mimic the porous and varied texture of a baked crust, bringing your drawing to life with authentic detail. To give your bread drawing real depth, focus on shading. Gradually build up your tones, moving from light to dark, to create a convincing three-dimensional form. Pinpoint the areas where light is completely blocked, as these will be your darkest shadows. Don't forget to use your eraser. It's a fantastic tool for lifting out bright highlights, especially on the crisp, shiny parts of the crust, adding that final touch of realism. For the final touches, step back and review your entire bread drawing. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the composition feels balanced and appealing. Boost the contrast by deepening your darkest shadows and making your brightest highlights pop even more. Consider adding tiny, subtle details like a dusting of flour or a few scattered crumbs around the base. These small additions can significantly elevate the realism and charm of your finished artwork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.